Why is pre-approval the most important step in home buying? Hey guys, it's Les with the Les Walden Real Estate Team, and I get asked this question a lot, and it is, well, where do I start when I'm ready to buy a home? And this is gonna sound maybe a little counterintuitive to you, but I promise you it is the absolute best place to start, and that is with a pre-approval from a great local lender. So why is it so important? Well, there's a couple reasons, or multiple reasons really. Well, the first one is it helps you decide how much home you can afford. The worst thing that could ever happen would be go out and start looking at homes, and let's say you're looking at homes because you like the way they look, you like what they offer, that are priced between $400,000 and $500,000. And then you go get pre-approved and you find out that you need to be between $300,000 and $400,000. Well, I promise you the homes priced from $300,000 to $400,000 are not as nice as the homes priced from $400,000 to $500,000. So it helps you understand up front the homes you should be looking for. So what's another great reason to start with a pre-approval? Well, it lets you know how much money you need at the closing table. So depending on what type of loan you're getting, what kind of loan you may qualify for, if you are a veteran, and we love working with our veterans, but you might be getting a VA loan, which is 100% loan, and it certainly limits the amount of money that you've got to have to purchase your new home. But you might be a conventional borrower and need up to 5, 10, 15, 20% of the purchase price to move forward, not to mention the closing costs associated with that loan. A real good idea of you wrapping your mind around how much money you need at the closing. So not just how much home you can buy, not just what your payment's going to be, but also how much money you need to have at the closing table. It keeps you from wasting your time. And I kind of mentioned this before, but you don't really want to go out looking at homes that you can't afford or that you don't want to make that payment for. Why would you want to do that? I can't imagine any reason that you would, but you want to look at the homes that make sense for you. So it keeps you from wasting your time in that home purchase process. Another reason, and maybe one of the most important two reasons really, is the first one. When you have a pre-approval letter first, and you do find that perfect home that you want to purchase, and it's time to make that offer, submit that pre-approval letter with your offer. It just shows the seller you're serious, that they should take you seriously, that you aren't messing around with trying to buy a home. You've already gone through the trouble of getting that pre-approval letter, and so it makes that seller take you as the buyer more seriously. And I would also tell you this, and it still happens in our market, is if you get into a multiple offer situation, including that pre-approval letter from a very reputable local lender goes a long way in that seller's mind of saying, hey, this buyer is going to be able to complete the transaction. They're going to be able to get us to the closing table. So all those reasons are why it is the first and most important thing that you can do when you're ready to start your purchase for a home. Here at the Les Walden Real Estate Team, we have a proven process. We've helped thousands of buyers work through that process to buy the home, find the right home, buy the right home, and have all the things in line that they need to have in line. And we would love to help you the same way. So reach out to us here at the Les Walden Real Estate Team. We would certainly love to walk you through the home buying process so that it is the most exciting and helpful time, and just something that we love helping people do.